Hey guys, my name is Chris and welcome to Aniosophy. Now if you're wondering why I changed the name of this channel to Aniosophy, it's because I want a name that would represent what we're going to talk about on this channel. Ani for anime, the amazing story-driven animated show, the movies I've known and loved my whole life, and Osophy because it's Greek for knowledge and wisdom, which is what I want to explore on this channel. I want to analyze all different genres of anime to find answers to questions I've had my whole life, and to explore stuff that I already know, like what is One Piece all about, and what do anime studios do, which happen to be the next two videos on this channel after a secret video on Sunday as a thank you for all the patience you guys have shown this channel, with new videos every other Sunday starting on August 6th with the One Piece video. I hope you guys like anime because I'm going to talk all about it here, from what I like each season to just interesting ideas I have about anime as a whole, and I can't wait to share some of these ideas with you guys here on Aniosophy.